Happy 2021, everybody. I have kind of took 2020 off, really. It was a bit of a bad year. Had to go back to being full-time at my other job, and it just all went a bit crazy. So yeah, I'm back, and this is just a little channel update video just to sort of get everybody, you know, up to date with what's been going on and where I plan on going from here. So as you probably noticed, I'm in the workshop. Thought it was drafty, but yeah, I'm in the workshop, which I'm going to be doing a lot more workshop videos. I'm going to try and do sort of shorter videos. I know it sounds funny, but like less time consuming videos, because a lot of my previous ones I was going out, spending the whole day in the woods, you know, camping out, and it's really fun and I love doing that, but it's a lot harder to get the time off to do those videos. So I'm going to be doing more workshop videos, tips and tricks, and just keeping it kind of simple. And that's how the channel started, that's how it grew, and I think that's the best way for it. So really excited about that. I'm going to try and do the weekly uploads again, because you know I did that for like 2 years and it was great. And this last year I thought, oh no, I'm going to, you know, try and just put out better quality content and not, you know, not worry about the weekly uploads. But to be honest, I don't think the content was any better. I'm not really a videographer or anything like that, so just what I film is what it turns out like. So yeah, that's kind of how it went, and yeah, I thought, forget that. 2021 is a new year. We're going to go full on trying to get back on track, and like I say, a lot more workshop videos, a lot more tips and tricks, and also I got a chainsaw for my Christmas, so very excited about that. I had a chainsaw before, but it, you know, destroyed itself, and you can get parts for it and stuff like that, so I've ended up splashing out and get myself a nice new one, and planning on doing all sorts of fun things with that. And yeah, that's us. So this is just a quick channel update, and just to wish you all a happy new year, and hopefully this will be it for this year. I'll be uploading every week. Let's go for it. Right, cheers. Bye bye. Oh my god! I'm wobbling. Woo!